Hey guys, how you doing? Hope you're all doing well. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video, which is going to be an unboxing of what is in this box, which is from Hollister, which I don't think I've ever... Actually, no, that is a lie. I have ordered stuff from Hollister a long time ago, but nothing recently. So this is what is in this box. But first off, if you're new, hi, welcome. My name is Matt. Welcome to my channel. Please take a moment to subscribe. It's free. There's no cost to you for doing so. Just click that button down below and ring my bell to be notified when I upload. I am uploading hopefully around 2 times a week these days, but hopefully in the future I'll get back to the 4 that I was doing, but a lot happening at work and everything. But the main videos I kind of do is hauls like we're doing today, and come shop with me like I have done in previous videos and stuff like that. Ignore my hair, I have literally just had it cut and I washed it and I'm not doing anything with it. It is 8 o'clock, gone 8 o'clock, half 8 on a Friday evening. That is why I'm just like this, still got a cold. That is why my nose sounds like this. But there we go. Hope all guys had a good week. I don't know when I'm putting this up, so I don't know why I'm saying that. But without further ado, let's get into this box. It is going to be an unboxing. I've not looked in here. I bought a few things, basically, because, and I will stop waving a knife around at you. I bought a few weeks ago, and some of the stuff in here is what I'm going to be telling you. I went into Hollister a few weeks ago, and without me realising, well, I did realise, I willingly typed my, because I bought something, I willingly typed something on the till. I haven't bought in Hollister in ages, really. If you have been here a long time, Hollister used to be my jam. I think it was everyone's jam for a while, you know, and then it fell out of favour. And they're trying to make a comeback, aren't they? Again, with Abercrombie, that whole brand, those two brands. Long story short, she made me type, she didn't make me, I don't know why I keep saying that. I willingly typed my email address in and I got a £10 off, like my first order, even though I've ordered on Hollister a long time ago, but I got £10 credit basically. And you got more points for signing up on the app as well. I did something with that. But anyway, let's get in to the box. It's not very helpful that they put the label directly over where you are meant to cut. Actually, that's not very helpful, and this knife doesn't work anymore. Now, I did do, I think last year, Abercrombie unboxing last year, I think. That just came in a bag. This came in a box. I was not expecting it to come in a box like this. And I guess it's more sustainable than the packaging the Abercrombie thing came in, because it is not plastic. I've got my price here. I paid £55.57. Yep, that includes postage. I couldn't get, this was annoying, and I'm sure when I ordered an Abercrombie thing, I got it delivered to like a parcel, you know, those in-post lockers or somewhere where I could collect my parcel. It wouldn't let me do that. It had the option, and I put in where I like the town to search for places, and it just wasn't working. I even put in, because I know in Milton Keynes they have a Hollister store, put in that because it does say you can do like click and collect in store, and that wasn't working either, so I don't know what was happening there. But yeah, let me go get the boring, what were those things? Let me get the boring 2 things out of the way, and this is kind of why I ordered it, because I bought some, and I don't know why. Why are these wrapped in plastic when they are in a box? Why are we doing that? You were working on the sustainable route with like doing a box, but then why do you put this in plastic when it's in a box anyway? That is, in my opinion, unnecessary, and it's also bubble wrap. Why does this need to be bubble wrapped? Okay, so it's in a plastic bag and in bubble wrap within that. That is very unnecessary. I basically bought 2 of these, which are, let me take it out of the bubble wrapped sheath. 2 lots of these. These are basically the Hollister long length boxer shorts, or whatever, they look like those. Bought 2 packs of these in these colours. I much prefer longer boxers because chafe basically, and these have got ride resistant, I cannot speak, leg opening, so they don't ride up, which is something I have trouble with. They are it, and I did try them on, and I've worn them, the ones I bought the other day in Hollister, which is why I did this order, and they are really comfortable and really nice, really stretchy. So I have bought 2 more packs of these. They do them in 6, I think they do them in a 7-pack and a 9-pack as well as a 3-pack, but it was cheaper, I think I worked it out, to buy 2 boxes of these, because these were £16.95. They had some money off. They do weird membership pricing as well, so I think these were on membership pricing, so these were £16.95, which makes a really good price for a boxer, because boxers are expensive. So as I said, I bought 2 boxes of those. Those were the, you know, essentials, because I did need some new boxes. I then also bought, again in plastic, some shorts. And I know we're not in the weather for shorts or anything, but I'm in the summer, when I'm at home, I live in like lounge shorts, and I did buy some of these from Abercrombie as well, for really affordable pricing, and these were really affordable. And I always regret if you've been here this long since, and this was over 10 years ago, when I went to New York and went to, what's it called, New Jersey Gardens outlet. I went in Hollister there and bought some Hollister fleece shorts, which I still have to this day, and I still wear them around the house for like $6. I should have bought more back then, but I bought 2 pairs of shorts. These ones, the turquoise ones, were £5.42. I mean, back in the day, you would have been unable to get anything like that in Hollister. These are the Terry Fleece logo shorts in 5-inch inseam, I believe. So they're quite short, but I'm only going to be wearing them around the house. So sorry about my voice. These were originally £25 as well, and they are the fleece short with 5-inch seam, a stretch, adjustable drawstring waist, and super soft. I can confirm they are super soft shorts. I got them in a small, and the only like branding they've got is Hollister in like cursive there. They have got pockets as well. They are quite thin, which I do like, because in the summer we just want thin shorts, and they're thin lounge shorts, and they have just got, they're like cut off, but they have got a stitch, so they're not going to fray too much. So I got them in turquoise. They were £5.42, and then £6.09 for, what colour do they call these? Dark grey. So I got them in dark grey as well. A little bit more expensive, and again, you can hardly see it, but Hollister there, I'm not too fussed about that. I just wanted some more shorts, and these are quite short. Yeah, considering these boxer shorts are 7-inch inseam, so that actually, are they longer than those? I think they might be longer. So if you wore these with those, then your boxers are going to show, I think. Okay, that's like lounge stuff and stuff out the way. What was I going to do? This was the last thing I bought, which was a bit more fashion focused. And it is what do they call it? They call it the Johnny Collar Sweater Polo. Got it in a medium in the grey pattern. And this was on sale for £10.16. Oh, this is very soft. And it looks like this. So it is one of those open collared polo shirts, which I have quite been liking recently. I did get it in a medium, and it is like knitted, so but it is like a thin knit, because can you see, this is me like really not showing you very well, you can see through it. So it is like a thin knit. This originally was only £27. I feel like back in the day this would have been like 40 or something ridiculous, but I got it for £10.16. So, and the pattern is literally, I don't know how to describe that, it just kind of looks like a check really, doesn't it? And it's in the grey with a collar. And I thought that is quite nice to round off like a little haul from Hollister, which I haven't bought in ages, and it hasn't got the logo anywhere on it. Oh, and they still do, like, do you remember back in the day it was really fashionable to have like massive, and I mean this is just like, you know, normal material, but it was really in to have like a massive stitch thing in your back of like your hoodie and stuff. Jack Wills, Hollister, Abercrombie all did it, and it was such a big thing. Like Primark started to do it, and you had like the stitching on the back of where it was. I don't know, that was such a thing back in the day. But there we go, and I got it in a medium. So that was my haul from Hollister. It was things that I kind of were essential because I needed some new boxer shorts. I've got some that I need to probably throw away and things like that. And I tested them by buying them full price in the shop, which were, I can't remember what they came to, but I saw those online and thought, you know what, I'm going to try. Well, I tried them on, I didn't try them on. I used the ones that I had in this, that I bought in the store, and I really liked them. Quality, the softness, the length, the non-riding upness. Really enjoyed those. So I decided to get 6 more. And you can't go wrong for £16.95 for free, really. That is quite a good deal for boxer shorts in this day and age. And I got all of this stuff for £55.57. So, and I mean, back in the day, like, this would have probably been 30 quid. So, there we go. That was my quick little haul from Hollister. Have you bought anything? Have you looked in Hollister recently? Let me know your thoughts down below. If you're not already, please take a moment to subscribe. It's free, there's no cost to you for doing so. Just click that button down below and ring my bell to be notified of when I upload. But other than that, thank you so much for watching, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye.
No, man, I still go, 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 go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day.